Knowing what the two lines in your air conditioner's line set do can save you a ton of headaches when you're dealing with AC repairs or maintenance. So, you got the suction line and the discharge line. Those are the two main pipes you'll see running between your indoor and outdoor AC units. The suction line is the bigger one, and it's basically the pathway for the cool refrigerant gas coming back to the compressor outside. It's usually insulated to keep things chill and prevent condensation. The discharge line, sometimes called the liquid line, is smaller and carries the high-pressure liquid refrigerant from the compressor back inside to the evaporator coil. If you ever hear hissing or see frost on these lines, that's a sign something's off. Keeping these lines clean and insulated helps your AC run smoother and saves energy, so make sure to check them during your regular maintenance. If you notice any cracks or leaks, calling a pro right away is key, because refrigerant leaks can mess up your whole system and cost way more to fix later. Also, don't block or kink these lines. They need to stay clear for proper refrigerant flow. One of the biggest mistakes people make with air conditioner line sets is ignoring insulation on the suction line, which can cause energy loss and make your system work harder. Fix that by wrapping it properly with foam insulation sleeves. Another issue is not catching leaks early. Refrigerant leaks reduce cooling efficiency and damage the compressor over time. If you smell a chemical odor or notice poor cooling, get a technician to check for leaks. Third, some folks accidentally kink or bend the lines during installation or yard work, which restricts refrigerant flow and causes uneven cooling or system failure. Always keep those lines straight and protected. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without all the stress. Contractors also use it to connect with people who need their skills, making it easier for everyone to get work done right.